Good morning students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well. Students, today Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to continue lesson number 5. Our today's topic is to select text using a keyboard. Some commands we have already learned how to select the text using a keyboard, and some we are going to learn now. Students, if we have to select one line down, one line down means कि अगर इसके नीचे वाली लाइन मुझे ये सिलेक्ट करनी है तो ये कैसे सिलेक्ट की जाएगी? To select this line we have to press the shift plus down arrow. What? Press shift plus down arrow. This is the down arrow. This arrow can be found from the arrow keys. Next is to the end of the current line. To the end of the current line. This is the current line, students, and now what is the end of this line? This part is the end of this line. If we want to select this part of the line, we can press shift plus and. Press shift plus and key. Third is to the beginning of the current line. This is the current line, and beginning of this line is what? This is the beginning of the line. If we have to select this part of this line, we have to press the shift plus home key. Press shift plus home key. Next is to the end of the document. मीन्स अगर मुझे अपने पूरे डॉक्यूमेंट का लास्ट पार्ट सेलेक्ट करना है टू द एंड ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट, प्रेस शिफ्ट प्लस कंट्रोल की एंड एंड. Shift plus control key and end key. Next is to the beginning of the document. मीन्स अगर हमें अपने डॉक्यूमेंट का स्टार्टिंग पेज सेलेक्ट करना है, स्टार्टिंग पेज का भी अपर पार्ट अगर हमें सेलेक्ट करना है तो कैसे सेलेक्ट करेंगे? फॉर दिस वी हैव टू प्रेस द शिफ्ट प्लस कंट्रोल प्लस होम. नेक्स्ट शॉर्टकट इज़ टू सेलेक्ट द एंटायर डॉक्यूमेंट. अगर पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट सेलेक्ट करना है कम्प्लीटली, हाउ विल इट बी selected? To select entire document, we have to press Ctrl plus A. and shortcut for undo and redo command. Undo or redo. Undo is used to remove the last action, whereas redo is used to reverse the action of the undo command. And shortcut for these commands are Ctrl plus Z is for undo, or Ctrl plus Y is for redo. Our next topic is inserting and overtyping the text. First of all, we will learn how to insert the text. Means कैसे हम text लिखना start करेंगे document में, that we have to learn now. So steps to insert text are: first step is place the cursor where text has to be added. Means कि अगर मुझे यहाँ लिखना है तो मुझे अपना कर्सर यहाँ पर प्लेस करना है. हाउ कैन वी प्लेस द cursor? By clicking on it. Okay, means here you have to click, it will be placed. And then second step is start typing. By this way we can insert the text. Now second is there over typing the text. To overtype the text, overtype mode is used. To overtype the content, overtype mode is used. Steps to replace the current text with the new text. Are means steps to overtype the text are: first of all we have to right click on the status bar. As we click on the right on the status bar, a shortcut menu appears. From that menu, we have to check the overtype option. Check the overtype option. Then insert will appear on the status bar. Insert option will appear on the status bar. We have to click the insert option. Click the insert option on the status bar and then start typing the text. Start typing the text. Then current text will be replaced with the new text. By following these steps, current text will be replaced with the new text. Students, now see same steps in your book. How will you do? These are the commands which we have to use to select the content. first command is there. If you have to select the one line, shift plus down arrow key will be used from the keyboard. Second is to the end of the current line, shift plus and button will be used from the keyboard. Next is to the beginning of the current line. Beginning क्या होती है? Starting of the line in which we are working. To select it, we have to click on the shift plus home tab. To the end of the document means suppose ये एक document है पूरा, इसका end part मुझे select करना है. For that press the shift plus control plus and key. To the beginning of the document means इस book का मुझे starting part select करना है. For that shift plus control plus home key. And to select the entire document means ये पूरी book मुझे select करनी है. For that I will press the control plus A. Undo and redo. Undo is used to remove the effect of last command. Okay, whereas redo is used to apply the reverse action of the undo command. Control plus Z is the shortcut key for undo command, right? Whereas control plus Y is the shortcut key for the redo command. Now inserting and overtyping the text. How will you insert? Suppose I want to write here, मुझे यहाँ पर लिखना है, तो first of all I have to click here, right? Means मुझे यहाँ पर अपना cursor place करना पड़ेगा. After that start to type. Text will appear here. Next is to overtype the text. First of all we have to go to the status bar. See, this is the status bar, students. Here we have to click with right mouse button. As we click here, this list appears. From this list I have to select the overtype mode. This is the overtype mode. Okay, as we click here, insert option will appear on the status bar, right? This we have to click and start the typing. The current text will appear and previous text will be removed. Now next topic is the moving text. How can we move the text? Next topic is moving text. Students, this feature is used to move text from one place to another place. For this work, cut and paste command is used. To do this action, cut and paste command is used. Now steps to move the text are: first of all we have to select the text. आपको वो टेक्स्ट सेलेक्ट करना है जिसको आप मूव करना चाहते हैं. ठीक है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ माउस और कीबोर्ड यू कैन सेलेक्ट दिस टेक्स्ट. आफ्टर इट select the home tab. In the home tab, find clipboard group. In clipboard group, click the cut command. As you click on cut command, text will disappear from the document. Okay, now you have to place the cursor where you want to paste it. सपोज मैं यहाँ देखना चाहती हूँ उस टेक्स्ट को, तो मुझे यहाँ पर क्लिक करना होगा विद द हेल्प ऑफ माउस. ओके, सो प्लेस द कर्सर एट द desired place, and again you have to go to the home tab. In this tab, click on clipboard group, and now you have to click the paste command. Then cut text will appear on the selected place by using these steps. Okay students, for this you can also use the shortcut keys Ctrl plus X is used to cut the content, and Ctrl plus V is used to paste the content. Students, this is our today's video. Now see what your homework you have to do in your notebook. You have to do fill in the blanks, true false, matching, and one word. These you have to do in your fear notebook. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.